One great theme to use with LifterLMS is the Astra theme. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to break down how you can change the site logo and site icon in the Astra theme on your LifterLMS WordPress website. So there's two ways to enter the customizer, which is where we're going to need to be in order to change these settings. The first way is to click on the Customize button right there if you're on the front end. The second way, if you're on the back end, would be to head down to Appearance and Customize right there. I already have the customizer open in a new tab, so let's jump in over here. In order to find the settings we're looking for to change the logo and the icon, we're going to want to go to Layout, Header, Site Identity, and we can see here our logo settings. This is where I can click on this to remove or change my logo. And let's see, I can upload from my media library here. I'll just leave, or I guess I'll switch my logo out real quick to something like this, for example. And we can crop my logo however I'd like, and then crop the image. And this helps to just situate the formatting if you want to have a tighter crop on your logo there. And we can see it switched my logo out right there, and I can change the width of the logo and change those settings right here. There we go. And I can also select a different logo for Retina devices and a different logo for mobile devices if maybe I have a different layout with like an icon and a word like I did previously. And then that's pretty much it for the logo. And the next thing we can cover is the site icon. The site icon is what will appear up here in the corner. As you can see now, I don't have an icon, so it's just this folder. But what I'll do is I'll select an image from my media library. We'll take the diamond, and I can crop this down as well. And it's showing us a little preview here of what that'll look like. And I will just crop that image there. And as you can see in the corner, we have the diamond icon there now. So that about wraps it up for changing the site logo and site icon in Astra. So this has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Feel free to suggest any videos you want to see in the future down in the comments below, and make sure to give this video a like if you liked it and want to see some more Astra content. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.